Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. So I just want to go over real quick two of Defiance's recent crypto-related ETFs. Now, unfortunately, these are not option-related, and that's why I was kind of like hesitating whether I should do these or not. But this might be helpful for some folks. So myself personally, I'm gonna stay away from them. Just because, like, in my opinion, I think they might be pumping out too many ETFs, and not all of them are option related. So I guess like I kind of want to show this meme just to show like my opinion, like what the heck is going on over there. So one, they have a leveraged 2x short on MicroStrategy, but of course, like none of this is final. This was filed on March 27th, and I don't know if this will be like the timing of this is quite right, because like if they release it too early and MicroStrategy goes on a tear, then that's gonna be real painful for this particular ETF. But you know, I guess that's their thing to manage. And this was recent. This was, I believe, yesterday, where they filed for a ETH long. Of course, this is also not final. But one thing to keep in mind is this is a 2x based on like the Ethereum futures, and not because obviously right now there's no Ethereum spot ETF like there is with the like the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So me personally, I don't know if I want to take part in this. I don't like supporting like um I guess like crypto derivative types based ETFs. I prefer like more like the real thing, and I also don't feel like the leverage is necessary for myself. I'd rather just have like the real thing and buy and sell, I guess, when the time is right for myself. But that's just me. Of course, this could be helpful for some people. And I'm kind of wondering what the strategy here is. I guess like if they're going to stall, or maybe because like some of the Defiance option ETFs, like I was kind of looking forward to them, like kind of like for example like the MY and the maybe the triple QT, and then like and what I call like the zero delights. But I don't know if this helps or hurts like those spot ETF excuse me, the Defiance option ETFs. Because I don't know if they're going after pro shares or rec shares, like they're going like these like leverage funds just to kind of maybe I guess like gain some market share, some assets under management. So like the managers for these two funds, like if these names look familiar, they also work on like the yield max and Defiance option ETFs. So I'm a little concerned because I wonder if they're already like getting stretched too thin, and they haven't released like the other kind of like the things that I was kind of looking forward to, like maybe like the yield max inverse and like the Defiance ETFs that I mentioned before. And I guess like the MSTR might be helpful in that it could be like a future MSTY hedge. So I could see where some people might find that handy. So I'm gonna take a wait and see approach, and I'm probably not gonna touch them. But then like what about the other zero DT ETFs? So there's a lot of questions that I have, and like of course like the expense ratios. It's not because these are like preliminary prospectuses. So the expense ratios are unknown. Uh, the Ethereum one, I guess like it's helpful to have the ticker symbol, so maybe it's a placeholder, so like ETHL. And I think like these are probably geared more towards like short-term investors, or actually short-term traders. And then I don't know. I have a uneasy feeling about all this. I hope they can kind of improve in the future, because I wonder what the strategy for these ETFs are. Like if this will be kind of like a assets under management, like a cash grab, just to kind of get in on like some of the action, which I guess like it's their prerogative. And this kind of feeds into like my theory on like the grandmother of all bubbles. First, like, you not only are you doing like crypto related ETFs, but then you're also leveraging them. So that could be. I mean, I guess it's fine in the beginning of the bubble, but then like when it pops, it'll get ugly. And I'm kind of wondering if they're already getting like too distracted. Uh, I have like some small nitpicks. Like for example, like today, like they had like the a really late website update, and even then, as of this recording, like the one for Trez and Spy T, they're off by like 2 days. So maybe in the morning, or maybe like in for tomorrow, Wednesday, like maybe they'll get back in sync. So anyway, if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like and subscribe if you can. I know it's kind of like for the SEC dumpster hunt. It's been kind of like either not very exciting or like I guess like I'm also like kind of waiting for some of these ETFs as well. So you know, of course, like super thanks, like really appreciated. And I'll try to like get to all the like requests and topics. If you can throw a super thanks my way, that'll help move it up like the priority list. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.